Hello! In this lecture, we'll learn how to use Extrude tool in Blender. Extrude tool basically is used for creating an extension of your selection. Let's press Shift A and add a plane. Press Tab key to go to edit mode. Now, let's left click on the space and cancel the selection. Let's select only one vertex. Press E key, drag the mouse wherever you want and left click to finish. There we go. We have extruded a single vertex, creating new geometry behind it. The vertex has created an edge behind it. We can also lock the extrude to specific axis. To do this, firstly press E key, and then press X key. So, the vertex will extrude along the X axis. Now, let's select two vertices. As you can see, we actually have selected an edge. Let's press E and extrude the edge. As you can see, it has created a face behind it. Let's select four vertices of the plane. It means we have selected a face. Now, let's press E key and extrude this face. There we go. It has created 3D geometry behind it. We can extrude faces inward also. Let's add a UV sphere and go to edit mode. Let's go to Viewport Overlays menu and enable the face normals. So, every face will be extruded along the direction its face normal is pointing. If we want to extrude a face freely and independent of the face normal direction, we can press Z key. We can lock the movement to X and Y axis also. To do this, press E key firstly, then, press the axis you want to lock. Extrude tool has different options. We can reach them on the left side menu or in the mesh menu. The first option is extrude faces or extrude region that we have just learnt. Shortcut is E key. But, what happens if we try to extrude more than one face together? Let's select these two faces and press E key. As you can see, the faces are extruding together along average face normals. Another option is extrude faces along normals. As you can see, the face is little bit bended. It is because the faces have common edge, and this edge is extruded diagonally. If we want to extrude the faces separately along their face normals, we should choose Extrude Individual Faces option. There we go. Extrude Manifold option is very similar to Extrude Faces option, but it automatically splits and removes adjacent faces when extruding inwards. Let's select this face and press 1 key to go to front view. Hold Ctrl key and right click. There we go. Wherever we click, it extrudes it along a path for us. We can also do it in left sidebar menu. Extrude repeat option allows to extrude the selection specified number of times. It behaves similar to the array modifier. Let's add a cube object and press 1 key and go to front view. Spin option allows to extrude selected vertices in a circle around the cursor in indicated viewport. There we go. And finally, I want to make a warning. If you cancel to extrude by right-clicking or pressing Enter key, the vertices of the selection are duplicated. So our object becomes non-manifold geometry. Because vertices overlap each other. Non-manifold geometry can be problematic, because it complicates some operations, like rendering of refractive effects, fluid simulations, Boolean operations and 3D printing. To fix this problem, you can press Ctrl Z and undo as soon as you cancel to extrude. Or if time has passed and you cannot undo back, you can merge these vertices again. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.